What's up everybody, Denzel here. And let me tell you, I am beyond stoked to be sharing this adventure with you. We're about to embark on an epic 3-week journey through the Philippines, one of the most naturally beautiful and culturally rich countries I've ever had the pleasure of exploring. We're talking pristine beaches, lush rice terraces, incredible food, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. So buckle up, get ready for some serious travel inspiration, and let's dive right into the ultimate Philippine adventure. Alright, first stop, Manila. This city is a whirlwind of energy, a captivating blend of old and new. You're gonna want to jump right into the heart of it all, and there's no better place to do that than Intramuros. Picture this, cobblestone streets, horse-drawn carriages, and Spanish colonial architecture that'll transport you back in time. This historic walled city is a journey through centuries of history and culture. Manila's street food scene is off the hook. From savory adobo to sweet halo, your taste buds are in for a real treat. And listen, no trip to Manila is complete without experiencing the iconic jeepneys. These colorful, decked-out buses are a symbol of Filipino ingenuity and resilience. Before we leave Manila, let's visit the San Sebastian Church, an architectural marvel made entirely of steel. Next up, we're escaping the city and heading north to the Banaue rice terraces. These aren't your average rice fields, guys. Carved into the mountain slopes over 2,000 years ago, these terraces are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a true testament to human ingenuity. You've got to see these terraces cascading down the hillsides to truly grasp their grandeur. It's like stepping into a living, breathing postcard. But it's not just about the views, it's about the people. The Ifugao people who built and continue to maintain these terraces have a deep connection to the land and a story that deserves to be heard. Take some time to hike through the terraces, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and chat with the locals. You'll learn so much about their culture, their traditions, and their way of life. And hey, don't forget your camera. The photo ops here are absolutely unreal. Sunrise and sunset are pure magic. Get ready for an adventure because we're headed to Sagada, a place shrouded in mystique and natural beauty. This is where you'll find the famous hanging coffins, an ancient burial practice that's both fascinating and a little bit eerie. Imagine wooden coffins perched high on cliff faces overlooking the valley below. But Sagada is not just about ancient rituals, it's an adventure lover's paradise. Get ready to explore the depths of Sumaguing Cave, a challenging but rewarding caving experience. Squeeze through narrow passages, marvel at towering stalactites and stalagmites, and emerge feeling like a true explorer. Take a dip in the refreshing waters of Bomadoc Falls, hike through lush forests, and soak in the laid-back vibes of this charming mountain town. And be sure to try the local coffee. Sagada is known for its rich, flavorful brews. Okay folks, get ready to be amazed because we're off to Bohol, home to the surreal Chocolate Hills. Imagine this. Over 1,200 perfectly cone-shaped hills covered in lush green grass that turns chocolate brown during the dry season. It's like something straight out of a Dr. Seuss book. Now the mystery behind how these hills were formed remains unsolved, but one thing's for sure, they're a sight you'll never forget. Hop on an ATV for an up-close and personal experience or climb to the viewing platform for a panoramic perspective that'll blow your mind. But hold on, there's more to Bohol than just hills. We're going on a wildlife adventure to meet the world's smallest primate, the adorable tarsier. These tiny creatures with their big eyes and even bigger jumps are seriously cute. Head to the Tarsier Sanctuary, a protected area where you can observe these amazing animals in their natural habitat. And while you're at it, don't miss the chance to cruise down the Loboc River. This relaxing river cruise is the perfect way to soak in the natural beauty of Bohol and enjoy some delicious Filipino food. Get ready for a mix of history, adventure, and beach vibes as we head to Cebu, the Queen City of the South. This island has it all, from stunning beaches to historical landmarks and everything in between. First up, let's dive into history at Magellan's Cross, a symbol of the arrival of Christianity in the Philippines. Then, prepare to be wowed by the majestic Kawasan Falls, a series of turquoise waterfalls cascading into crystal-clear pools. Take a dip in the refreshing waters, brave the canyon jump, or simply relax and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. But Cebu's adventure doesn't stop there. Gear up for an unforgettable canyoneering experience in Batayan. Descend through canyons, rappel down waterfalls, and swim through narrow gorges. It's an adrenaline-pumping adventure that'll leave you breathless, in a good way of course. And no trip to Cebu is complete without experiencing the island's vibrant nightlife. Head to Cebu City for a taste of the local bar and club scene, or simply relax on the beach with a cold drink and enjoy the sunset. Calling all surfers and beach bums, we're heading to Siargao, the surfing capital of the Philippines, and trust me, this island paradise is going to steal your heart. First things first, we're hitting the waves. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-timer, Siargao has a wave for you. From the legendary Cloud 9, known for its perfect barrels, to more beginner-friendly breaks, get ready to experience the stoke of surfing in one of the most beautiful settings on Earth. But Siargao is not just about surfing. Rent a motorbike and explore the island's hidden gems, from secluded beaches and enchanting lagoons to palm tree forests and charming local villages. And don't miss the chance to swim in the crystal-clear waters of Magpupunco rock pools. These natural tidal pools are perfect for a refreshing dip or simply relaxing and soaking up the sun. As the day winds down, head to the beach for a front-row seat to the most epic sunsets you'll ever see. Get ready to have your breath taken away because we're off to Palawan, home to the world-renowned El Nido and Coron. Think towering limestone cliffs, turquoise lagoons, hidden beaches, and some of the most vibrant coral reefs on the planet. This is paradise found. First up, El Nido, where you can spend your days hopping between islands, snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, kayaking through lagoons, and simply soaking in the unreal beauty of this place. Trust me, the photos don't even do it justice. Next, we're off to Coron, where you can explore the famous Kayangan Lake, known for its surreal beauty and crystal-clear waters. Dive into the depths of Barracuda Lake, where you'll find a unique thermocline and stunning underwater landscapes. And don't miss the chance to visit the Twin Lagoons, a hidden paradise accessible only through a small opening in the limestone cliffs. Palawan is a place where you can truly escape from it all and reconnect with nature. After all that adventure, it's time to kick back, relax, and soak up some sun on the world-famous beaches of Boracay. Known for its powdery white sand, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant nightlife, Boracay is the perfect place to unwind and recharge before heading home. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, stand-up paddleboarding, or simply lounging on the beach with a good book. As the sun begins to set, head to Station 3 for a front-row seat to the most epic sunset celebrations you'll ever see. Fire dancers, live music, and a sky ablaze with color. It's an experience you won't soon forget. And when the sun goes down, Boracay comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. From beach bars with live music to clubs with world-renowned DJs, there's something for everyone on this island paradise. And just like that, our epic Philippine adventure has come to an end. But before we say goodbye, we've got one last day in Manila to soak up the city's vibrant energy and grab some souvenirs. First things first, let's hit up the shops. Manila is a shopper's paradise with everything from traditional handicrafts to modern fashion. Head to Divisoria Market for some serious bargain hunting, or check out the malls in Makati for a more upscale shopping experience. And don't forget to pick up some souvenirs for your loved ones back home. Next up, let's indulge in one last Filipino feast. Manila is a food lover's paradise, so be sure to try some local favorites like adobo, sinigang, and car-care. As the sun begins to set, head to Rizal Park for a final glimpse of the city skyline. It's time to say goodbye to the Philippines, but the memories of this incredible country will stay with us forever. So there you have it, guys. 3 epic weeks exploring the very best of the Philippines. From bustling cities to pristine beaches, hidden lagoons to ancient rice terraces, this country has it all. I hope this video has inspired you to add the Philippines to your travel bucket list. And if you do go, be sure to embrace the local culture, try new things, and most importantly, have an incredible time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures, and let me know in the comments below where you want to see me explore next. Until then, safe travels and mabuhay.